Hello, my name's Hanna Jones and I'm an abstract painter. This is some of my work. I joined Miao Studio in 2022 and I moved to Berlin about 2.5 years ago. So this is some of my work here. For me, music plays a really big role in painting. I think the two of them they create their own melody when they're together playing. I always paint. When I'm listening, I'm like, oh, that's what you want to say. I'll be listening to a great rock track and it's like blue, go blue. Yes, but this one is a particular favorite and it's called Bear. I did it at a time where I think, it was a good reflection of what was going on. There were bare streets. It was pandemic times, but there's also a lot of layers in there. I'm trying to think the exact song. I could probably find it. You'll have to ask me. But yes, painting for me just, I don't know, completes a part of me that needs to come out. And so I really hope that you like the show. I love this space in the studio and yeah, enjoy your virtual tour.